The Bible interpretation Overseas TV. I welcome you all. If you're watching me, this is Overseas TV and this is the Bible interpretation program. On this program, what we do is we help you understand some of the issues in Bible so that you all in our Christian life be responsible and be a true and responsible Christians. Watching the Bible interpretation on Overseas TV. Today we have our scholar in the house who happens to be Mr. Caleb. Mr. Caleb.
Yes, sir. Yes.
I welcome you once again to Overseas TV.
Interesting.
Today is another period and then another day that we need to go into the Bible and then explain some of the things, some of the issues, some of the concepts for viewers to understand perfectly well, so that we would, in fact, if you are worshiping God well, then we would do it and then do it in truth and in spirit. Yes. I hope you are doing well today.
Really, by God's grace.
What would you tell people, your viewers, your fans, and then people who are watching you?
I may say it's quite a while we met.
Yes.
So having met today, I welcome them all, and then a greater greeting from our Lord Jesus Christ goes to them. They should prepare their minds, everything holistically, so that like what is going to transpire today will be amazing to them and then to them.
Yes. And so let's have an open mind. We are going to talk about the dark ages. Sorry, the fourth beast and the dark ages, which is in Daniel 7
23 through to 25.
Daniel 7 23 to 25. And so kindly share this video for other people to also benefit. And if you're watching me, kindly like it. Mr. Ba,
yes, sir.
Say it has the fourth beast, and I say it has the dark ages and then the fourth beast. Let's just say the fourth beast. It has the fourth beast. What is the meaning of the fourth beast as far as the Bible is concerned? I don't know. Is it the beast coming from the forest, the Lulu forest, or which of the forests is this beast coming from? Let us know more about it. We can blend the language. I want us to blend the language so that our friends who do not understand vernacular and those who are not so much into English would also benefit. Thank you. So we will blend the language.
Oh, all right. I always do say the Bible deals with symbols, and then each symbol has its own meaning.
Sure.
So when the Bible talks of a beast, it stands for a kingdom or a king. Yes, a kingdom.
A kingdom or a king.
A king. Yeah.
Sure.
So that is a beast. Abuano edina homa. Ahini anase ohini. Ahini. And it is of abuwa bi to say jata edini edina ho a say ahini no ho asem e na obekana na. God is so amazing, say oka say jata na we read the history of that kingdom no. Now man so to say jata sa. Let me use this example. Alexander the Great.
Okay.
Bible to say na abuwa na ode na toto ye na won taban. Do you see the word swift? Meaning say in a successive what manner. Intention so. And I'm penny and pass said ya go is fast baby too. The media say basis refer to the answer. It was very, very powerful. And I know it was wonderful too. Yes. And no. See a father Daniel 7 no. Daniel is what you be na me and more extra no. Daniel 2, yeah, best at 2,300 days, or the sanctuary service, me can say Nebuchadnezzar swum da be ohonim kakrakapa nana ya chiche honim bebre niti Nebuchadnezzar hini no ne koko ene ne bono nso so Medo-Persia ahini no ena nasnim so anani yafunu no de banasere no nso so Greece ahini no. And after Greece and Rome and Indian so baby to key place. And I have a nice one as well. Now, Papa, Dotiane, Dadia, and Diafra, and on to say, in short, because I don't know from European nations, no, not European kingdoms, no more air Makutani, more papa. And to Dana money dinyame homo, because the NTR, Edru Nenans one, Yanan left and right in Ubia 5 divisions, and Yefa, ya can say, ye fingers never were 4 to none in your 10. The name the NTR, so I said, Danuma or the Coco say on a Nasa and Yafa, Yakasa, bois, beast in prophecy, a tresse, a Hindi. Indeed, the kind he may be a net or 9 once. A he may be a net or 90 say, Yafa, who need no statue none a book at Neza Huniana, the net or 9, not a room, a Hindi room, a Hindi. And indeed, Yame Sunday, Sahi no, the more than a dinner wedding. At the master, I mean, and if you are out of 9, now you nearly from Biana near Christopher Yeta can say dark ages, no, a free muya day a buy, and until I never related the 4th beast and then the dark ages. Now, never for time, I treat the 4th beast, no. That's in Yami Aduma, your next video, no, your chassis of no, quite 4th beast, no. Or related no one I say or institute do you can say dark ages no and so at the buying until now here introduction of them to Nyayafa so no exam and it say it was what young king and Daniel see a young son into moon song Daniel 7:7 you read it what nothing yes I see and funny in church I see Daniel 7:7. Or see ye tree no medicare and a joe adignumu. Na we are boa or tosso naya. Ne huyebu, ne wama, na or yet ding a bruce woni. Or what a dear essay I can see it. Now did he come adding a 9 peche and kaye. Na a son or no, any more would in a dimena. Now main do. Merry Mary do no. She a banking to a fufrobi, a pue and num na akane eme eno emumian san asitu tu eno anim na hwe na aniwa etise onipa ani ewo aban no ho ene ano a ekika nsenkese.
Wow. Oh, this is powerful. This is very, very powerful.
Abua wo fifra beben when you know, ni na no ekika nsenkese eya hini ben ho asem na oka. Let me go back to Daniel 2. The dream of Nebuchadnezzar. Yedin kind no osisika tue no eye sika kokko no ana se gold no na eye Nebuchadnezzar hini ne etoso no eye dwetɛ no ɛno so na eye Medo-Persia hini ne etoso na miensa na eye kobre no eye Alexander hini. So if you read 2 Timothy 1 Timothy 4:14, yes, 1 Timothy 4:14. Let me read it so that if one so
sure.
Take note of
1 Timothy
4:14.
4 verse 14.
Yes. Let me take. All right. That is 2 Timothy. 2 Timothy 4:14.
2 Timothy rather.
Yes, please.
2 Timothy
4:14. I say Alexander called Bredum for no year me money p. A ready piano cat said in the new matie. Paul on the can same way. Or can it Timothy? No, no, candy ama. Alexander.
Okay.
And see Alexander Hiniano, South Greece Hiniano. So for money mina, they were very rich in sa you can say copper making. No, we are rich. Oh, sa ko brinum pa. And until nyame anasa Bible de na hini no. Eto to ko brehun. And into aba anasre na ye dade ne ne nanso ana na ye dade ene noti a adi afra no. Emu ena nsensem bi no wadwi bai. Na mamen kan say 4th beast no. Ejina homa Rome ahini no.
The 4th beast represents
the Rome or
Empire.
the Roman kingdom or the Rome Empire. Menka Roman Catholic government.
Roman kingdom.
Kingdom was very good. Sa ahini enum bia ye na Yesu ba beto so no yes sa ahini no Yesu ba beto ne so fa bi na ye ba wie ye ba ne nan so wa no so na de okika kan ho no afi nsusu ye de no so ebe so ato aso enunti osi yo abo no hu na no to so nine no wantumi amoni din so ye jata so ye sisire so ye kraman ba Daniel se na abo no hu a wantumi mpo anya den amoni din na no wo men edu se prophecy eka se horn is na home sub kingdom and the head of Abuan horns
represents
sub kingdom okay was what I say and if you find say Akufo-Addo the head no and if you only dina ho head no and we ministers e dey o mo atoto no mo aba be sub kingdom or mo working under what Akufo-Addo sa pepepe eno no and if sa hinie na etoso 9 no Muba bechiche ye ma ebenya 10 kingdoms. And until let me repeat Daniel 7:7. Daniel 7:7. Osi ye atri na mere hwe ya na de wade hunu mu na hwe abo a otoso 9. Abo a otoso 9 a ne huye hu ene wonwa. Na oye den ebrusu ni owodade esen akese na odidi akika mu de ne 9 peche nkaye na yesono no ene mu a wodi na nim enu nyina na o main du. Owo main du. Enu tina sa main du. Entina sa kingdom no emu achiche makoma kusen 10 nyame ya dum ochina ye befa no 111111 na fe media to da osi ohwe no a main do no abai ba ku bi pie wa aboa no ni tinfifini abai ni pie ye no eba be 2 main makoma ko 3 buye ndi ba ku be 2 ye ma out of the 10 horns no 3 ye den etu ko buye 3 no 2 buye no nyame ya dum ochina befa that's the Ostrogoths, Vandals and then Heruli. Sahini miensa na ni 2 ye ye be se chire ye be relate amankuru ahodo France mo Italy sa nkuru mo no ho asem ne mekan na mo Bible na mo ni history and the clear sade no ani to 2 miensa buye na be na opie ba ye no ni jumo be ni ye ne se Daniel si ohun sa be no opie na anya no anya ni ti se nipa ni na je se ni ne be hwe ade yes ani ni be hwe ade ani no ejina ho ma se nipa ode na dwene edi ade achi o monitoring system na fe anon so ekikansem akese na de anon no babaye ni Daniel 7:25
Daniel
7:25 Ose na obekika nsem atia de owo osorosoro no na obeha osorosoro ni no akronkronfo na obebo ne tim so obedane mre ne mra na wode won bese ne nsa mre ebrebi ene mre ene brefa enuti aben na Daniel si ohun ya eba betu 3 buye e ma ne ka se ni ono be sha na ne ma ne 80 o se na owo anu a okika nsema kese no nsema obeka ne se obeka sa atie nyame obeka sa atie nyame nyame ya dum ochina no se yeba ye be kire nsem kro kan ye dia Daniel 7:25 o kire se okika nsem ne edi tie nyame na fe so ha osusuru ni na konkonfo enuti the statement said na obeha osusuru ni na konkonfo no eno na ye related to the dark ages, the tribulation time. Because who is a Christo Lidio that is your Bible, and you can Christo for you can probably a sheep in your year and no one and Daniel can was obeha osusuru ni na konkonfo. The saints of Christ or God obeha woman and no one and na oka. Now can say a basic breben. Time I year 22,300 day prophecy, no. The sanctuary service, you know. You can't 1,290 days once, and can't 1,260 days once, and can't 1,335 days once, and no, and as I will know a year, a share as yet. That's those years relevant to the dark ages. And then see in brevity. Yes, people watching, you know, that is AD 31, AD 34 years is given a war and 490 days, you know, a spy call. And look here, free one na gospel. I shall say a preachy echo. I'm a man for the Gentiles. I only was a more few for years, so Yababekam movie. And look the year 538. I bet Maka said 80, and then for one answer 538. Yes, word, you know, 538. Say, night says the countdown of years, but the account of what the yes. A whole emperor be a friend. Justinian ɔde mmara bi ɛbae saa mmara no mu na ɔno take some years. Justinian decree ni bae o take some years, about 30 years. I was 508 bra sa 4 bits ni aye kan ho asem no sha ase say obe claim godliness. They say ono oyenyame bia ye betumi akono ho bone ka o de bone beche 508 ena sa ade no sha ase pepe so kakra because then time no we na bu because me can say AD 70 into yes Stephen abo no some years AD 70 ena ye call Roman for no eba bubu Jerusalem so down na ye ntumi nsi bibie go aba bisi nti afei dey na the sanctuary service na na cause was asiso that kingdom is claiming it e wo no ne temple mu be ba so ati very good nti afei sa benanti from 508 AD no e dey ba besi 538 ne just yen 30 years na just omo pepe so ba nti 538 dey na that emperor Justinian what is any decree number? Now you go into details. The decree not the buy. And from 538, eba basi 1798. Wabra one emperor called Napoleon from France. Napoleon, me sure say be brilliant nenka. Obesene e call Pope go kokoche no e de besene call ni from France. They no go to a years out of that the Pope here do. Okay nenka. Very good. And from 538 AD to 1798. So calculate here. And this calculation, I might say 1,200 and what 60 days
from
538 AD to 1798.
Okay.
So let's read something now in relation to 1798. Daniel 12:7.
Daniel chapter 12 verses.
Daniel chapter 12 verse 7. Na ina calculation bitwani osina meti onipa ofra nwira was bonten edusuo no eso nka na o man nifa ene ni benkum so kire soro na o kan de oti aseda no ehuntam se enkoduru bre mre ne brefa enu ti na akoye se saa hinie we na oba be ha nyame akronkron for Daniel 7:25 kan obedi time bank said another Daniel say enkosi da be o ka say 2300 days ndi o so man say enkosi bre mre ene brefa nti yente kita na fe yen solve sa bread and bread say prophecy ka say time e kire 1 year
time
year and no can time 2 years meaning time 1 year another time 1 year about be 2 years me ba to ati and a half a year the meaning is 6 what 6 months
sure
me ba to ati so let's do some calculations here and nti oka say enkosi mre and brefa enunti yamfa a year 1 year you won how many months
12 months
you won 12 if you yamfa 12 in times yamfa say dia approximately month dia 30 what days no matter that
yeah
it is a month dia 30 days here meaning about 30 times 12 you be 360. And the first one was year, you be 360. Yeah. Second one, according to Daniel and I kind, Daniel chapter 12 verse 7. Or say na make say onipa ofra nwira or what was bontin to one nka. Now man nifa and benkum so chira so na o kan de o te ase and one time say e be ko do bre mre ne brefa. The mre ne e time. The no 2 years. The about 24 be ba that say.
Afano simu bi wan ke be me de pa.
Mama
dia e repeat mre.
Daniel chapter 12 verse 7. Osina meti onipa ofura nwira owo asubonten enunsuo no so nka na o man nifa ene benkum so kire soro na o kan de ote aseda no ho ntan se enkodru bre mre ene fa me ba ta ase sa go to we anso so esan wo Daniel 7:25 osina obeka nsem atia de owo soro no na obeha osoro ni no akonkonfo na obebo ne tim so obeda ne mre ne mra na wode one person nsa tese one ye the saint of God no or the bebe nsa time bang from when to when. The what I say.
Sure.
Very good. What version is a bready nimre nibre fan. The what I say. A bready 1 nimre 2 nibre fan. Nti a bready 1 year. Said them as a prophecy cherem. Mre 2 years.
2 years.
The 2 years by my 12 months.
Exactly.
So 12 months time sorry. 1 year at 12, the 2 years and my 12 plus 12. That would give us 24. The 24 times 30. Yedi Kenya by to be 360. So 24 times 30 so.
Wow.
Yeah. 24 times 30.
Okay.
And
this is a Bible interpretation. Today we are looking at the fourth beast and the dark ages. The fourth beast and the dark ages in the Bible. And so, if you are watching me on Oasis TV on Facebook, kindly like and then share this video so that other people can also benefit. If you are watching me on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and you will be blessed. Thank you.
Breno 1 year, 12 months times 30, ever my 360. And I'm Breno 2 years.